Hey guys, this is Kiki, owner of Self Care Pure, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, y'all, is a day in my life. So y'all gonna come with me as we in a day in my life. Okay. So we are cleaning my room. I have gotten so far over there with the TV. I'm doing the main floors. I did that over there. Use the person on my phone. And now I'm doing the main floor. So call me as I vacuum, sweep, and all. Okay. So I'm gonna talk to y'all about where I've been and clean this floor. Some stuff I might have to come back on camera because I gotta get down to the nitty gritty. So where I've been is not in the mind space of coming on YouTube, making videos, and posting every single day. But I got something in store where I am coming back on to make videos and to be consistent with y'all and all that good stuff. So yeah, let me move her out the way. Okay. So yeah, y'all. Because I'm so excited for the video. Okay, so more videos on anything behind the scenes, day of my life, all that good stuff. I'm coming back to do all of that. Super excited. So I'll be right back. We're back. And now it's time to dabble with the closet. Ooh. It says if I'm getting old, which I'm not. But it's time to dabble with the closet. It is time. It is time. I done became tired, y'all. Like, tired of this shit. Like, I have a vision for my closet, which is why I'm just patiently waiting to get in the mindset of actually going what I'm visualizing for each and everything. All right. Now that's done, I'm going to layer this on the floor. Manifestation stuff to come up. All right, we gotta let it sit for 15 minutes. Nothing else. All right, we're back, and now we're gonna do my hair. I don't want it up. I mean, I don't want it down. I want it up. Okay. All right. So it's gonna be that one braid to add some monkey ball food. So you gotta treat it. Gotta treat it. You gotta be like, hey, common sense. Okay. Now it's lashes time. And yes, y'all, this video is gonna be long. I'm not trying to make it too long, but it's gonna be long. Let that sit. Now we're gonna wash our face. Excuse me for the sniffling. My son is sick and he loves getting me sick. And if you haven't threw away all your wash rags for your face wash rags, throw them away and go get a face towel. So clean. And they don't put bacteria back into your face. The best thing I could ever give to my face. Okay. Okay. Next thing and the last thing we're going to do is tone our skin. eyelashes been done. Let's stick them on. Okay. And last, we're gonna put on our lotion. I'm gonna put moisture back into our skin. Perception back there. All right, that's it. And I'll see you guys when we get ready to put my room together. We're back, y'all. When I tell y'all I'm mad because my mic did not capture none I said. So we're back. I'm about to put everything back in the room. I already done vacuum. This is me. That's me carrying things. It's me grabbing that bag. And I figured out the problem, y'all. I was like, why does it smell like doo-doo? And it was the bag. The bag had my son's pamper in there. And I didn't even know. So, figure that out afterwards. So, now I am just putting everything back how it was. Now I'm getting my... Okay, yeah. I'm putting everything back how I had my room. I might need to switch this up a little bit. Now I'm about to bring y'all down because I'm about to put everything on the floor that needs to go back on the floor. Isn't it like a little dance that they had the camera like this? Okay, never mind, y'all. That's me putting my Cricut machine down. I always have it underneath my desktop. Look at my bun, y'all. Like, I did a perfect bun. That's my makeup stuff, any stuff, like my snack, all that, yes. Okay, now I gotta clean my desktop, which is now I'm bringing y'all down. See that? I gotta clean all of that. Yeah, y'all. So let me put my lash case back in this case. Let me put my fan cords and any of my cords back into the socket. Plug some. I bet y'all. Putting cords back in. I might take this whole section out. Just putting cords in, y'all. It's just a cleaning day, y'all. It's just a cleaning day. All right, this is where I'm about to close out, but I forgot y'all know I have to have Instagram to know what we got today. We got a package from Canva. Yes. We got a package from Canva. So we're gonna open it. I am super excited, y'all. Like, I love my business cards and my thank you cards. And the packaging from Canva was so cute. Those are my business cards. Look at me. I'm looking at like, I designed it. Y'all see it. It says SCA. Y'all see it? Now, I ain't gonna lie. I kind of got mad because I was a little skeptical. Like, what the world? I ordered 2 things. Where's my other thing? And I had to look. And they put it in. They put it in there. That is so cute. Y'all was like, Canva ate with it. Look at my thank you cards. It's so cute and big. Like I'm gonna have to buy big polymailers for y'all now, cause look how big it is. All right, y'all. That is the end of that. I just had to show y'all the cutest packaging from Canva. My business card and my thank you cards is here. I am so ready for orders. Y'all can order anything off my website. I am so happy. That was me telling y'all I need to order big poly mailers because the flyers are big. Like thank you cards are big. Yeah, y'all. If y'all like to see more daily in my life or get ready with me, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.